हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। माय नेम इज रियो शूट और रियो कुछ सिखा के सेकंड वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। So this is the beginning of Valorant series, and on this episode I'll be teaching you some Sova recon builds, shock darts and some other important Sova lineups on the map Haven. Valorant is new for all of us. We all wanna reach those high ranks, so I hope this video will help all the Sova mains out there like me who want to take their game to another level. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I wanna thank all you guys for joining my stream daily. And if you like the video, do hit the like button. And if you're new, do subscribe. It means a lot. So yeah, let's start. So yeah guys, let's start the video now. First of all, I'll show you some attacker side recon builds starting from C side. So yeah, there will be a barrier here. You just have to go here, stuck between these two walls. और आपको फिर ये उसके बाद एक leaf दिखेगी. So you just have to give 1.5 bar of power like this.
Revealing area.
And the dart will go there on the roof.
Found
And
them.
if there is any player hiding here, here like this, here, even CT, he will be revealed. So yeah, this is your basic C side recon bolt. Welcome to the second part of the video. This part I'll show you a B side recon bolt. It's a pretty hard recon bolt, but if you get the lineups, it's pretty easy. So इस recon bolt में आपको क्या करना है कि you see this block thing on the door. You have to line up the bottom of the thing, bottom of this block to your bottom of your screen like this. I'll show you like this. Then you see this temple top. You have to line up with the first charge of your recon bolt charge like this, and then move down so that the block thing can hit your bottom of the screen, and then give 2 point, just a bit more than 2 bars of power, and give 2 bounces. So it will perfectly land on B side, and it will reveal everyone playing B side.
Revealing
this.
area.
So yeah, it will jump off and hit that part of the
Found
thing. And
them.
if any player is playing here like this, or here, or even here, or here, he will be totally revealed. So yeah, this is B side recon bolt. Now I'll show you A side recon bolt. For this recon bolt, you have to smoke this part of the area so that you can swing to the sandbags. Then it's a pretty easy recon bolt, but it takes on only 75% of the A side. But the most important thing, it takes out the heaven area. So yeah, the lineups are, yeah, you just have to take the light bulb here and then align with the second part of your charge bar and give just a bit more than 1 bar of power like this.
Revealing area.
So yeah, what it will do is jump off and just get stuck here.
Found them.
So yeah, if any player is playing here, here, or like playing like this, holding angle like this, and the most important thing is playing heaven. So yeah, if any player is playing heaven or A side on the some cheeky areas like here, holding you, he will be revealed. So yeah, that's your A side recon bolt. So yeah guys, now I'll teach you a ramp recon bolt. So generally what happens is there's always a opper playing this angle like this. So you have to deal with him. So you can use your recon bolt so that you can reveal him or you can push him back. So yeah, it's a pretty easy recon bolt. You just have to come right here, not here, right here to the first level. You see this leaf and conjunction of wood. Just have to go down, just a bit down, and give just a bit more than 1 bar of power like this.
Revealing area.
So your dart will go there and
Found them.
reveal any player playing like this. So yeah, this is your A ramp recon. So yeah guys, now I'll teach you a C garage recon bolt. It's pretty easy, but you can mess it up sometimes. So yeah, sometimes you have to push garage and there is always a opper playing like this. So you can do this recon bolt. Just have to come here. There will be a barrier here. You just have to come here, line up with this door, your crosshair, and give just one jump and just give
Revealing
any
area.
amount of bar, any amount of power.
Found them.
So yeah, he will be revealed. So yeah, this is your C garage recon bolt. So yeah guys, now I'll teach you some defender side recon bolt. Starting from C side, it's a pretty basic recon bolt. You just have to go here, stuck yourself right here. Now pull out your recon bolt. Now line up with the charge bar with this bush right here so that it lines up with the edge of the terrace. Now move a bit up so that the charge icon touches the edge of the terrace. Then give just 1 bar of power like this.
Revealing area.
So yeah,
Found
it will
them.
come here and reveal anyone playing here, taking a shot on you like this. So yeah, this is your basic C side defender side recon bolt. So yeah guys, now I'll show you a mid retake recon bolt. If your teammate has given a call out that they have taken over mid, you can use your recon bolt to take over mid again. So yeah, you just have to go here. You see this gap in the rooftop here. You see this a small gap right there. Align your first line of charge bar with the first gap right here, and give just more than 2 bars of power like this.
Revealing area.
So your dart will jump off right over mid like this.
There they are.
And if any player is standing here, here, or even here like this, he will be revealed. So yeah, this is your mid retake recon bolt. So yeah guys, I'll show you a very tricky recon bolt from C to A ramp. So yeah, it's a pretty useful recon bolt as well if you know retake A ramp. So yeah, you just have to pull out your knife first, then aim your shock dart icon to this angular thing at this window like this. Then pull out your recon bolt and give max power. Like
Revealing
this.
area.
So yeah, what will happen is any player pushing A ramp, if they have a lurker, or they are pushing A ramp, if you have info, it will come right here
There they are.
and they will be revealed like this. So yeah, this is your C to A recon. So yeah guys, now I'll show you a recon bolt that you can use on C garage as a defender player. For that you have to come outside C garage, and then wooden window is right there. You have to come to the bottom log, then aim so that you don't see the other part of the wooden log. Then come, you see the recon bolt has two symbols, one left click and right click. On both there's a triangle thing. You just have to aim the triangle thing on top of this intersection like this. Then give just 2 bars of power.
Revealing area.
So yeah, your dart will come here
There they
and
are.
reveal anyone playing outside garage like this. It will stuck right here on the lamp and they will be revealed. So yeah, that's your basic C garage recon bolt. Yeah guys, now I'll show you a B to T spawn lane or T lane recon bolt. For that you just have to come to back side of B side. You see this wooden thing and this inclined wall. You just have to go stuck yourself between here, and then you see this window. Just have to aim above that window and then pull out your recon bolt, give 2 bounces and then full bar of power.
Revealing area.
Yeah, like this. Your bolt will go outside and get stuck right here. So yeah,
Found them.
it will reveal anyone playing here, here, even here stuck, even there, they will be revealed. So yeah, that's your B to T lane recon bolt. So yeah guys, now I'll show you a recon bolt that can go from A link to AT spawn. So yeah, I'll show you. You just have to come to A link, and then there are 2 boxes here, one small and one bigger. You just have to come to the bigger box and aim at this intersection. Then you see this imaginary triangle right here. Just have to aim in between and give just a bit more than 1 bar of power like this.
Revealing
So yeah,
area.
your dart will go and
Found them.
give info of any player playing outside T-spawn on here, here, and even here, or just hiding like this and holding this angle. And the most important is this angle. Like players play this angle very frequently to get any exit skill or what. So yeah, this is your A link to A T-spawn recon bolt. So yeah guys, now I'll tell you a recon bolt that you can use as a defender player and help your teammates in mid. So yeah, you just have to come to this double box, go stuck yourself right here, then you have to aim this top of this terrace with your drone icon. You see your drone icon, the blue part, aim at the middle of your blue part and just give just a bit more than 2 bars of power like this.
Revealing area.
So yeah, your dart will go in the middle and reveal anyone playing right there.
There they are.
You see, a player will be revealed on mid. So yeah, that's your A to mid recon bolt. So now guys, I'll show you some retake recon bolts that you can use. So yeah, first starting from C side. So on C side there's nothing pretty tricky or very hard. You just have to come to this wall. You see this wall, and just crouch and aim at this outer part of the terrace and give full power.
Revealing area.
So your dart will go right there.
There they are.
And the most important position is this angle. Any player playing this angle, and generally your bolt will go here.
Revealing area.
So yeah, any player
There
playing
they
that
are.
angle, this angle, and even this angle, he will be revealed. So yeah, this is your C retake recon bolt. So now guys, I'll tell you some B retake recon bolts. It's pretty easy and it's pretty tricky at the same time. So yeah, you just have to come here, pull out your recon bolt and give 2 bounces like this and give full power. Just aim at anywhere in the ground and give full power and 2 bounces
Revealing
like
area.
this. So your bolt will jump there
There they are.
and reveal anyone playing side. So yeah, that's your B retake recon. So now guys, to the last retake recon bolt, to the A side. For that you just have to come to this box right here, the big box. You just have to aim in between, pull out your recon bolt, then give 1 bounce and then full power at this middle of this circle. You see this, a big circle is right there. Aim at the middle of the circle and give full power with 1 bounce.
Revealing area.
Your dart will go right
Found
there.
them.
And first of all, it just recognize anyone playing under heaven, here, even here, and playing this angle or that angle as well. For anyone playing here, they won't be spotted. So yeah, you just have to swing or try to kill him. So yeah, that's your basic A retake recon bolt. So now guys, I'll show you some shock darts which you can use as a attacker player. So if you have planted on default, you just have to go take garage control and go stuck yourself right here. And then you see this intersection between this curve wooden thing and this wooden thing. You have to go right a bit down, give 2 bounces and then full bar of power like this.
Shock dart. Shock
And
dart.
this. So yeah,
Any angle.
this will
No
click
more to oppose
anyone
anyone on the default plan. So yeah, this is your C retake shock dart. So now guys, I'll teach you some B shock dart that you can use for left default and right default. That is left default and that is right default. For right default, I'll show you the shock dart. You just have to go to this wall and aim at this wall so you don't see the other part of the wall, and pull out your shock dart. Then line up your icon of shield with the edge of the wall like this, and then give 2 bounces with full bar of power
Shock dart.
like this. So your dart will go and kill anyone playing right default. Then for the left default, you just have to go right here. Then you see this bottom part of this chair. Aim the bottom part of the chair with the logo of your ultimate. Go a bit left. Then pull out your shock dart. Then give 2 bounces like the same, and then full bar of power.
Shock dart.
So yeah, that dart will go and kill anyone at the left default. So yeah, that's your shock dart for B side. So now guys, to the last part of the series, to the A shock dart, and this dart is for the A front default plan. That's a pretty tricky one. You just have to go to this cart, pull out your shock dart, and then you see this first pallet on the top of this roof. Aim your shock dart right here and just one click
Shock
it.
dart.
Your dart will go right here and kill anyone planting right here or defusing the bomb. So yeah, that's your A shock retake. So this is all for the video. If you find the video helpful, do drop a like, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe because it gives me more motivation to make such videos for you guys. That's it for today. I stream daily on my channel 9 to 12, so do come and say hi on stream. Thank you for watching.